So to make the cute dinosaur card, we're going to change from Cricut Maker to Cricut Joy and search their image files. The card we're using is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and I have already saved it, but I'm going to show you how you find it. So there's tons of cards. So we're going to do birthday, and that narrows it down a little. And where's the dinosaur one? And instead of clicking make it, we're gonna save it or favorite it. That way it'll show up in our saved file when you use the maker. So we're going back to maker, and then we're gonna do saved. So these are all the ones that I saved from the Cricut Joy side. Then we're just gonna select the right size, 4 1/4 by 5.5. And it's already ready to go. So to make it cut, we're gonna center it. So I align it to the 6 to the right and 1 inch down, and I also center it. So if you see, it's a little over the 1 inch line, and it's a little over the 6 inch line. That way when we put our card down, it'll be centered on the card. So let me show you what that looks like. So to get the card in the right spot, we're starting from that 6 inches to the right and 1 inch down. And this is the part that we want the cut image on. So if you look closely, we're just going to center the top and the bottom, and then the left to the right. Because you want that seam edge to be a little like an 1/8 of an inch past the 6 inch line, and the same for the other side. That way the design will cut right in the middle. So now that it's all centered, we're gonna go make it, and I use medium cardstock, and we're just gonna cut it out, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's our completed cut file. I always peel the mat back from the paper to minimize curling, and just be really gentle because it's kind of an intricate design. And there we go, it's right in the center. Get the holographic insert, and you just place it in the 4 corner holders. And this one's really cute. It's holographic, super shiny, and it has kind of like a scale texture. So yeah, that looks really good. So cheap. I think a pack of 10 was $5. And the next one I'll show you how to customize. So for the second card we're gonna make today, it's gonna be a birthday boy card. So we're gonna go into projects. I already saved it from the last time we went on the Joy side. So this is the one I want. I'm gonna do 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. Okay, so I'm just gonna align it just like last time. Start at the 6 and 1 mark, and then center it upward. Just like that. And then we're gonna go to the mat and center the card over that. So for this card, because we're using the pen, I'll show you over here. This is the side we want to cut on. This is the 6 and 1 inch mark I've been talking about. So I'm going to center the length of the card this way. And then I'm going to slide it over and center this part of the card, so that it cuts right in the middle. And just do it as best as you can, you know. Okay. Get my brayer. the mat. So now that the card is aligned on the mat, we're gonna make it. So I already have my silver pen in slot A. I'm gonna do medium cardstock and make it. It's gonna draw first and then cut out, and I'll show you what that looks like. And I'm gonna get the pen ready. So I have the silver metallic pen, 1 millimeter. Put that in, close it. So this marker works super well on colored cardstock. So I'm just gonna peel it back from the mat from the cardstock gently. And the insert. It's like a shiny holographic scale. And I'll go ahead and show you how I'm gonna write happy 6th birthday on the inside, just to customize it a little bit more. So to do the writing inside the card, we're gonna make a square and unlock it and change the dimensions to 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Then we're gonna, instead of basic cut, we wanna do a pen and change it to maybe a red color just for fun. We're not actually going to draw this outline. Now we need the score just so we can get an idea of where the middle is. I'm gonna put it there, make it a little bit longer, select both, and have Cricut align it for us to the middle. So now I'm gonna do happy 6th birthday. Don't want it basic cut, I want it to be a pen. So I'm gonna choose a font that's a writing font. Yeah, that's a good one. So just aligning it however you like. And then I'm gonna do the marker and silver. So we're going to erase the score line now because we don't actually need it to score. Select all, and I like to attach it and check to see if they both say pen. Like, you don't want to start cutting if you're not supposed to be. So I'm going to align the card like how it looks like on the mat, and I'll show that to you. So now we're going to get our standard grip mat. And this is the front of the card. I'm gonna put it face down. I took the insert off just so it won't get in the way for any reason. And I'm aligning it 1/4 inch away from the corner. Okay, I'm gonna select medium cardstock, and it says the first pen up is the wine color or the red, which we're going to do the fake without a pen outline. Okay, and so now it's prompting me to put in my silver pen. This is the 1.0 millimeter silver metallic marker, and these markers really show up well on colored cardstock, these metallic markers. So it's just gonna write the happy birthday. There's just something so satisfying about watching the pen write. It's weird. Okay, that looks great. The marker came out great. I'm just gonna take the mat off the cardstock. And then put in the insert again. And there you have it. Totally customized card. This one looks so great with the pen and the holographic colors. I love it. And this one's so cute. So thanks for joining me, and subscribe. I try to do another or at least one craft video every week. Thanks.